Hi, welcome to Art in Purulia. In today's session, we'll be painting some berries using watercolor. See, for painting anything, the most important part what is required is to understand how the objects lie with respect to the light and what effects are created on the body of the objects because of the light, and also how they create the highlights and shadows. So in today's session also you'll realize the berries, though they are round in nature, they are shiny, and here the light is almost from left top, and so you'll find the highlights over the berries will be on the left top, and the right bottom side will be slightly dark because of the shadow. The berries generate automatically because the light is obstructed, and also it casts a shadow on the ground, which is very important to ground the berries, or else they will look like as if they will be floating in the air. So let's start. Initially I'll be giving a broad orangish wash on all the berries, which will be the base color, and thereafter I'll apply a mix of blue and red, which will be violet, which is the original color of the berries, and I'll be applying them in various layers so that they create homogeneous surface, and don't leave too hard edges between the various textures. And also at the end I'll be painting a leaf and two tiny twigs connecting the berries. So this is a composition which is absolutely in the middle, and this is the best composition what makes a simple picture, and this is the most used composition by most of the painters, and obviously it catches the attention straight away because it is at the center of your canvas. So that's it. Let's see the process. I am intentionally speeding up the video a bit so that it doesn't appear too boring to you. Here, while applying the paints, at times we miss out on the paper white because in the process of making soft edges, we tend to miss out the absolute white space on the paper. So you might have to lift up some of the paint if required over the highlight areas where you intend to keep it white itself. Later on also, once you apply the first layer and while you are applying the second layer, you can re-wet the surface where you want to make it light, and softly you can pull out some of the paints from where you want to show highlight. And of course, making it dark is the easier part. You can keep adding paint layer after layer over those areas, and you can create the effect of the round surface. I'll also add a leaf and two small branches or twigs basically to add variety to the monotonous monochrome color of the berries. I hope you liked the process, and if you have been watching my channel but you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thanks once again for watching the video and watching my channel. See you.